Hello students, so welcome to 5th semester. Congratulations to all. So now you have completed your halfway of this BTech journey. So this is the course 5C405 Water Resource Engineering. I am Ghansham Bhushan, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering. I will be taking your Water Resource Engineering classes. So let me discuss the syllabus first, what we are going to study in this course. So first, actually this water resource, what is the name? Water resource engineering. So whatever engineering aspects we are going to learn, these will be about of water resources. So what are the water resources available for us and why we need these resources? So first I will like to answer the question why. Why we need water resources? As you know, India is a country which is majorly dependent on agriculture for its economy, and agriculture is very much dependent on rainfall, okay, natural resources for its growth. So we are not having very well developed canal systems, so we need to know what are the resources which will be helpful for the agriculture, okay. So but in natural resources, if rain is there, there is no engineering. Rain is there, so it is there. What we are going to do that? What we can do, we can store that water. Rainwater, it is there. So rain is there for 1 month, let's say 2 months maximum. But what about the rest 10 months for an year? So there are 12 months. So 2 months we are getting rain, but that rain is also very excessive. So what we can do, we can store that water and we can use it when there is no rain, okay. So it is all about the irrigation in the agricultural land, how we are going to use the water in the field by which our farmers can have their what production of crop good, okay. So in the introduction we are going to learn about what is irrigation. In introduction we are going to mainly focus on irrigation, okay. Irrigation, its types, its advantages, disadvantages, what is the present status of irrigation in India, okay. Soil moisture relationship, very very important. Soil moisture relationship, okay. How the moisture in the soil, we can assess the depth of water in the soil if we are knowing this certain type of relationships which we are going to see later on. Quality of irrigation, how the quality of irrigation can also affect the productivity of the crops, okay. Consumptive use of water, principal Indian crop seasons, you might have, this is you must be knowing, like there are kharif season, there is rabi season, there is zaid season, and according to the seasons, according to the crop, according to the water quality, how much water we are going to require, the requirements of water, okay. So in the first unit we will be learning about the irrigation. So this is okay, irrigation types, many things are there. Now how this water we can take to the fields? For that we are going to design the various canals. So in the second unit we will be learning about canal irrigation, how with the help of canal we are going to use the water from various storage reservoir dams to the field, okay. So in the canal irrigation we will be learning about the various types of canals, various theories given by prominent scientists, engineers during their course of services for design of canal. Basically we will be focusing on design of canal, how we can design the canal as per our requirement, okay. In the canal there is a very important structure, divergent head work. So as I always say, everything is in the names. This is a type of works at head. This head work is doing? Diversion of water. So, okay, we are having water, but we need that water in the various parts of the states, various part of the country. So for that we have to divert the particular amount of water according to the requirement to the different locations. So for that we need divergent headworks. Okay, so this is a part of canal irrigation system only. Next, so field irrigation we have learned. Now how we are going to take that water through canals. From where we are taking this canal water? We are taking this canal water from dams. So in the third unit we will be learning about dams. What are the various types of dams? Embankment dam, gravity dam, there are more concrete dam. Okay, so these things we will be learning about the dams in the third unit. So this is all about the canal irrigation. If we are using the canal water, what all the things we are requiring? Canal and dam. But canal irrigation system is not the only system which is being used for irrigation. There are various other systems like well irrigation. Okay, so in well irrigation we will be seeing about the well irrigation, what are the types of wells, how this well water is helpful in the field for the farmers, and these cross drainage structures. This we will see now. At this point I am not discussing about much about cross drainage structures. And finally the hydrology. In the previous semester only you have learned in hydraulic engineering what is the hydrology mean. In hydrology same thing, the syllabus is almost same from the 4th semester and this 5th semester course. So this you already have learned. I will just give you brief idea about the hydrology. And as you have come to the third year, 5th semester, I want to share with you very important aspect. Okay, what is that aspect? That aspect is the exam. This exam you are also eligible. So my dear friends, this is the very you are very fortunate to have this opportunity. In our times, like from very 10-12 years, third year was not allowed to write this exam, but this batch is very lucky. You are getting this opportunity to write this GATE 2021 exam. Why I am telling you this is a golden opportunity for you? Because in this time of pandemic you are having like much ample amount of time at your home. Okay, so for you have to write this exam, like this is sure. I will request all of the third year students to please fill this form. GATE form, I think in September it will release, 14th I guess. I will clear you many things in the upcoming videos. If you want me to make a video on this GATE 2021 especially for third year students, so please write in the comment section. I will be more than happy to help you regarding GATE 2021. Okay, I will discuss how you can approach like for in a manner that you have to study very less but you can score very high. Okay, so regarding this, if you want me to make lecture, then please comment your like what are the questions, so that I am having the questions. So please write on YouTube only. Okay, after watching the video just write your comment below that video in YouTube, so that I will be collecting all your questions, and I will if like only one two questions are there, then I think there is no need to make a video. You people are not interested, so I will just leave this and I will focus on the RTU syllabus. But if like many more are interested if I get the feeling like okay, this batch is interested, so then I will try to take one or two subjects online of your GATE course so that you can score well. So, and after watching this video, you have to fill a Google form which I will give you on the classroom. So this is compulsory. After watching the video, you have to fill the form and you have to write your name and roll number. Name plus roll number in the comment where YouTube comment section. Okay, so I will be cross checking your, that's why I am taking attendance to, like at two places, in the Google Docs and Google form and on YouTube, so that I can cross verify your attendance. So this is all for today. So I will be starting the irrigation engineering in the next lecture. So this is all for today. Thank you. We will meet tomorrow.